In today's video, I am going to teach you Wix landing page tutorial with ChatGPT. Next, go to ChatGPT and paste in a simple prompt asking for clear landing page copy for a small business. Ask it to create a hero headline, a subheadline, 3 benefit sections, and a call to action section. Also ask for a beginner-friendly tone and for the content to be returned in a format that is ready to paste into Wix. Once ChatGPT generates the content, copy everything you want to use for the page. Then return to Wix and click Pages and Menu on the left side. Add a new page and choose a blank page layout. Name it Landing Page. Then open that new page in the editor. At the top of the page, add a hero section. Paste in the hero headline and subheadline from ChatGPT. Below that content, add a button. Change the button text so it matches the call to action that ChatGPT created. Now move down the page and add a new section below the hero area. This will be your first benefit section. Paste in the first benefit from your ChatGPT content. Add another section for the second benefit and paste that content in as well. Then create a third benefit section and paste in the final benefit. After that, add a final call to action section near the bottom of the page. Paste in the call to action content from ChatGPT so visitors clearly understand what to do next. To collect leads or inquiries, click Add Elements and open the Contact and Forms section. Insert a contact form or subscribe form onto the landing page. Place the form inside the call to action section so the page feels connected and easy to follow. Once all the content is in place, adjust the spacing and layout of each section. Make sure everything looks clean and balanced. Then switch to mobile view and review how the landing page appears on smaller screens. This is important for making sure the page stays easy to read and use. When the design looks good, click Preview to test the page. Review the content, check the buttons, and make sure the form works properly. If everything looks right, click Publish in the top right corner. Finally, open the live landing page and review the finished result. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.